What is up, everyone? So if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, go watch it, because yesterday we dyno tuned the RB25 and it went amazing. It sounds awesome. I'm super happy and it was a good video. RJ, it was a good video, right?
It was a great video. I watched it at 1 a.m.
See, there we go. It was a great video. So go check it out. Today is probably just a mess around video. I actually filmed like half video. Didn't work out. It was a mess, so I'm scrapping it. And I just want to miss a video because I know I missed a lot of videos on you guys early in the week. A lot of guys were upset, and trust me, I get upset too. But this week or next week, I guess, is gonna be very dense because what's showing up next week, RJ?
I'm not telling them.
Just tell them.
You want me to?
Yeah, it's fine.
There's a very cool S14 coming up.
S14 should be here in a few days, and I'm super excited. Once that shows up, we got a lot to do. Till then, we're kind of messing around. What are you doing, Donnie?
I'm trying to brainstorm, you know, a little bit. A few questions for Ant, get his feedback, and then so on and so forth.
If you guys have been kind of seeing the updates on DJ's Jay-Z swap, it's on his channel. I think you're posting, right, Donnie?
I do post.
Link in description. So the biggest hurdle is his eBay intake he had was messing up, so we had to piece together like an OEM intake. There's a lower, middle, and a throttle body, and well, we got this one from Jersey. We got this from Adam. We modified it.
And if you follow me this way, we have the upper over here. Every piece bought separately.
Yeah.
Sold separately.
So DJ, he said, let me make this more of a challenge for myself, this whole engine swap, right?
I got some time to kill, waiting on things, you know? This is what I did. If it's a little rough still, you know?
See, I don't know if you've seen DJ in the background. No, you haven't because I haven't posted, but the entire week has been nothing but DJ over here with his ear pods and sanding this thing.
This was miserable. A lot
So,
of people doubted me.
DJ actually cut off a bunch of brackets like this, and honestly, dude, you've been doing a really good job.
Thank you, James.
You just still got a lot of work to go.
Yeah.
You haven't done the other two pieces yet either.
Those are getting shipped to somebody, to a professional.
We're proud of you, Donnie. This looks awesome. That's the update for Donnie. So, and if you guys could tell, the second lift finally got wired. The S15 is up there. You guys haven't seen it. We finally got our electrician buddy to come in. He wired it up for us. And I was actually waiting on 2 hydraulic fittings because they sent us the wrong one. So, this is huge. Seeing a Sylvia over a Sylvia, it's pretty freaking cool.
I didn't even think about that. I just thought S15 and S13. I forgot they're both real Sylvias.
Ooh.
Wow, this place is fancy.
So the main reason why I didn't want to miss the video today is because we have something big happening, and that is we are finally bringing Josh's car back to his shop. A lot of guys don't realize this, but Brian and Josh actually have their own shop not too far away. We brought this car here almost right after when I moved in. So Josh's car has been here like forever. Mainly it was to just give Josh a better space and so we can all kind of help him get his car running and driving, right? Because if you guys have been on the channel for a long time, this thing has been nothing but, I don't want to say but headaches. We've had to almost redo everything, right? We even had to put a short block in this thing. Recently we got it running, he drove it for the first time, and now at this point, I put my dues in on this car and I got this where it needs to be, and now Josh could take it from here, just tidy up a bunch of stuff, because now a bunch of stuff just needs to be tidied up, the car needs to be buttoned up, and it should be ready for a dyno tune very shortly. Honestly, he really just needs to work on the interior. So, but since the S14 is showing up very shortly, I'm kind of running out of room, and especially if we start taking some stuff apart, then it takes up even more room. And today, we will be going to Brian and Josh's shop, hopefully cleaning up a spot for this car to fit, and hopefully in a few weeks, we'll see Josh get this thing ready, get it for a dyno tune, and she'll be good for the season.
A few moments later.
Donnie! Look who's here.
Who is it? Josh.
Josh.
Josh, you got 4 wheels?
So literally we've been waiting for like 2 hours for Josh to show up, and he just texted me. Josh's like, yo, where you guys been?
You guys coming up?
You guys coming up?
I knew he was at the shop. He shot.
We talked about this like every night for the last like 2 weeks. The goal is to pick it up, bring it up to his shop, and we're just gonna go ham, clean it out, a spot for him, and be good to go.
Josh,
But we're still gonna
need
pick
help?
on him.
Oh, whoa. You got 4 wheels?
Lift it, but I can't move it onto my.
Let's see it, strong man. Lift it up.
Just do a snow, damn it!
Look how strong this man is.
Oi!
Yeah.
Up!
Nice. Oh, Josh. You have the wrong ball size, kid.
Oh yeah, there's 2-inch on there right now.
Ah, Josh! What a Josh move.
Well, what size is yours? Mine's 2-inch. You got a little bit bigger one?
Yeah, my ball's a little bit bigger than you.
Oh, we can drive it around the building on a 2-inch ball. It's not gonna go anywhere.
Leave it to Josh to show up with the wrong size ball.
He goes, wait. Oh, 2-inch. That's not.
Hey, you got a 2-inch ball?
Smaller than that.
Go easy, Josh. We're not balled up.
This is cold out.
Yeah.
Brian got to move his dang truck.
Why didn't we just use Brian's truck? Never towed with that thing. We should put it to the test.
Put it to the test. I think we should.
We should. We should put
should.
the Tacoma to the test.
Tacoma.
Let's go see if Brian's for it. Brian, I think the time has come, my friends. I think it's time to test the tow rating of the Tacoma.
I don't have a hitch.
We do.
We do.
I don't have a brake controller.
We don't need it.
All right, fuck it.
So Brian's Tacoma is a V6, but the tow rating for it is supposed to be pretty high. So
20,000 pounds.
I've been been dying to see how it feels with a car on it. So looks like tonight's tonight. There we go. Brian ain't no 2-inch ball guy. I know you ain't. There you go. Merry Christmas.
Thanks, bud. This is sick.
The Corrado's luck strikes again.
Josh, prime it. Let's see here. Come on. Oh, you can see it dripping.
Oh yeah, you can.
All right, Josh, order up another stainless and fitting.
Weld it right.
We know how to fix this.
We've been here before.
Jesus Christ. Nothing new.
Nothing new.
Same but new.
Same but new. What? You know, it's a Volkswagen. You know how it goes.
Going the other way.
Oh, he's excited.
Doing 100.
Look, do some squats. Do some squats. There we go. There we go.
Gotcha.
This should be interesting. I've never seen Brian tow. I feel like he's gonna be a little reckless.
Oh yeah.
What?
He's,
Right,
he's
you
gonna
wanna
drive
see
that
that.
truck like it's a normal truck with nothing attached to it, which is scary.
Yeah, I would say no reckless. But there's a precious cargo on that thing.
Wow, that got really dangerous.
Talking about mid-sized trucks or small trucks I'm not used to here. I jacked up on the trailer hitch to raise the truck up to tilt the trailer back. And it and
The back tires were only on the ground by like this much, so it starts rolling forward. I put the e-brake on. It doesn't matter if the wheels aren't touching the ground.
Chevy don't lift up off the ground.
That's because there's so much sag in your frame.
Okay. You have a small truck, don't jack the trailer hitch too high. Look at this.
We're all strapped up.
Well, at least this time on the trailer, it does kind of run.
Yeah, it kind of runs.
So like it's a transportation trailering, not a broken trailering, right? Yeah.
At the time being.
At the time being. So if you guys have never seen Brian Josh's shop, well, it's a really cool shop. It's just usually a little messy. We've helped him clean it multiple times, and it gets bad. And well, Josh says he's been making a spot for it the last couple weeks, but we got a couple of guys here to help us clean some more out. But he says it's been good. He says it's
He's
good.
been cleaning. He's been cleaning.
He said he didn't throw anything
He
away.
hasn't. He's been consolidating, which is
So-
a little nerve-wracking.
We're gonna have an intervention for Brian and Josh soon. Don't
Tonight?
worry. Not tonight. Like we can't, but it's great. It's great. Trust me. It's great. Okay, it's cleaner than usual.
Cleaner than usual. I worked my ass off to get this place fucking the way it's looking. Plus, Brian hasn't worked in like a month or so.
And then Josh's Zanky. I haven't seen this car in so long. I forgot how much I love the yellow. I can't believe Josh has a yellow car before me. We got a Painter E46 yellow.
Yellow?
We can all be matching.
Why? What do you got that's
I
yellow?
don't know. I'll paint something yellow. Look how cool that is.
You just love yellow.
I love it, dude. Deej loves the bass boat. This is what Deej loves.
Not really.
What was that?
Not really.
That's alright. I'm pretty sure the owner doesn't even.
So if you guys remember, this is where we originally found the Corrado, sitting right here. So,
Back where it's gonna go.
but this time, running. Kind
Yeah,
of. Besides that fuel leak. How old is that intercooler?
Looking really old. I don't know.
It's really old. You found his pet squirrel?
It's like right.
We're looking at the
behind
wall.
here.
Look. Look.
What?
Dude.
It's
Poke it.
in there.
Right here.
Ooh! Brian's pet squirrel. Oh! Oh! Oh my Billy! Oh look at him!
He's fast.
Black it.
Oh yeah!
Oh!
You're gonna jump on my head. I know it.
I know. I hope it's on.
You ever been here? What do you think?
Strange, but different.
But different. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. There we go.
Rolling steady.
Nice!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
There we go.
Alright.
Oh, Josh, where's your cap?
Oh, that sucks.
What?
Take it off?
No.
What'd you lose?
Oh, that sucks.
No! Oh, yeah!
You are so lucky.
Alright, that's one way to do it. I can't believe you didn't lose the cap.
Even stuff out here working.
Crushed up floor around here somewhere.
One day we'll do a power washing video of these floors and it'll be the most satisfying video ever filmed in history.
One day.
One day. Cleaning up, cleaning up. So much junk.
Garbage.
Nice work, boys.
Yeah, it looks good. I think.
Right, hold on, do some calisthenics to show them how much room
No,
there
I
is.
don't want to do any calisthenics.
Show them how much room we got here. There we go. Now they know how much room we got.
You're short.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I think that thing is.
Remember when your Mark II was buried under 300 pounds of garbage right here?
That shit runs now though. It's sick.
Hell yeah, it does.
Shoots flames and stuff.
That's the shit.
Whose shit paint is this?
That's fine. That runs.
Better go catch it.
No, bro, you did a good job. You need to have me wet
Not
sand it.
finished. Or I haven't.
You kind of sleeping, bro.
No. Listen,
Yeah.
I haven't looked at that car since I started drifting. I think it's front wheel drive. It's basically useless to what I care about.
Put the drive shaft
Nah,
this
it's
way.
sick. I love front wheel drive, but like,
I don't think so. Maybe you do so.
I don't know.
Is what it's called, I think.
There we go, Josh.
It's home for now.
Here she is.
I got a lot of work to do.
So Josh's car is back at home in his shop, and as you guys can see, the shop it's dense, right? We've been here before, we've seen it before, and we've cleaned quite a few times. Brian's third shopmate, you guys have never met him before. He's actually moving out at the end of the month, which is huge because then I think we'll have a lot easier time consolidating everything. I think this time when we really clean it, it'll hopefully stay clean.
They have
Just
no
being,
excuse.
yeah, now they have no excuse just being Josh Bryan. So when I show the shop, everyone's like, we should go clean it. And we've done it before. But I think this time we're really gonna go hard because I know Brian wants to try and possibly put up a paint booth in there or something for him because this area he could actually kind of get away with painting, which is like huge. And it'd be really cool to see Brian doing something cool on the side. So probably next month we're gonna go ham and try and get that really set up for the boys. And luckily we got a lot of good friends, we got a lot of hands, and I think we could do something really cool for the boys. So yeah, I don't know. I've been doing a lot of talking today, so we're gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Stevie.
Have a great night, everybody.